So hello everyone.
Hi.
Welcome to the meeting that we already planned. So first of all, thank you for being here. As I already checked, there's everybody as there's no absent today, and today we are discussing about the final project that we are working during the previous week. So I already checked that the thing that you sent me. I think is quite good, but there's something that we need to improve, and I think so first from your part. So how do you think, is this doable or is still some difficulty for you?
No, I think we can manage to do it.
Yes, and I think you are doing about the problem and some central research question about the company, right? Some about the central research question for the company and some sub question, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And if there's any problem with the two of you?
Yes, the CEO did not send me the feedback. I think this is quite inconvenient for us because we need to keep the process going on.
Probably we can either remind him or just send him an email, but probably we can call him.
Yes.
If the deadline comes,
But I think he's on vacation, right?
Yes, he's on vacation, but I think when I see that he read the message, I will inform you guys. Other than that, I don't have any other problem. What about you, Nikolai? Are you almost done?
Yeah, actually, I finished my part. I just need to check it again, but otherwise, I think I'm ready with my part. But just need to proofread it one more time.
So I think because the deadline will be next week, so we have to push up our working process.
Okay.
And I saw that we need to improve some the format of our final report, because I got the feedback from the teacher that it's not very good, from the executive summary, from some in-text citation that we have to make from an APA style. Also the references and the appendix is not very good, and do we need to include it? How do we use the calculator in the project?
Yes, I think we need to include it in the final report. And yes, we need to use APA style just to improve our resources, because right now it's not quite APA style. We need to just make sure that we do everything in Word right, like put the first name and the last name, and as well as the retrieve date, so we can get the proper APA style at the end, right?
One more thing, we're missing the conclusion. I think I will take charge in that. If that's okay with you guys.
Yes.
Okay, then I will finish the conclusion. I hope that you guys finish your part, so I can, it can make it easier for me to come up with a conclusion.
Can we set a deadline for this, like which date?
Yeah, but I have one more question.
Yes.
Is how's the questionnaire going?
The questionnaire is done. The only problem is that we need to send the questionnaire to the customers.
Yeah, but we haven't get the feedback, right? We haven't get the feedback from the
No,
company yet.
No. That's why we just have to improvise if he's not answering. So we're just gonna put the questionnaire into the appendix and describe why we made a questionnaire and everything. So
Yeah.
Question
Yeah.
appendix if he doesn't answer.
Yeah.
Yeah, because we sent the questionnaire last week from the 24th of June, but now it's 1 week. So I think because he's on vacation, so I think he will reply within next week. And I think does anyone have something to discuss?
from my
Or
part,
we'll try to improve the final report and then handle to the teacher, and we can
I have one more thing. Who of us will do the layout of the PowerPoint presentation for the final presentation?
I can do this. I can get this into control doing the PowerPoint. And also we need to, if you ask for another points of business, we need to improve our executive summary, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so because we already have it, but we need to just improve it, not to be the same as the preface.
Yes.
Yeah.
This is,
Correct.
any discussion more?
No, I think
So okay.
doing
Yeah.
like I don't have any questions.
So we just need to try to work on our report, handle the teacher, then schedule a meeting. Yes. So
Can we set any deadlines so it's
Mm,
specific?
so I think we should set the deadline will be Wednesday next 2 weeks. So we need to have a meeting on next Monday, which is the 8th of July.
8th
Yes.
July.
At the time, we have to finish everything, and then we will like together see again the format, everything, and then submit the project to the teacher, and we can have like a call with the CEO or something to get the feedback from him, and schedule a meeting with him with the teacher.
All right.
So is this okay if I set a meeting at like 12 a.m. on Monday, the 3rd of July?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so thank you for coming.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.